Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you want to see how I prepare this delicious fried rice, just come along with me to the kitchen. Okay guys, moving along, here are my starting ingredients. I have onion, garlic, assorted bell pepper, carrots, and I'm going to scrape my carrot, set aside, peel my onion, and we wash and slice. And I want to say big respect to each and every one of you for sticking with me throughout 2021, and I hope 2022 will be a year of blessings for each and every one of us. Let's move on, guys. Okay, now we have completely washed. Now we're going to slice them according to our likings so we can start the cooking process. And here I'm slicing my bell peppers. I have my onion, my garlic, and the carrot I'll slice further on in the video. Do enjoy. Moving along, guys. Okay, quick note, if you're using the mixed vegetable that's already have the carrots, then you can already skip this step. But the one I'll be using, it doesn't have carrots, so I have to do my own carrot, okay? And you cut these according to your likings and set aside. Okay, here are my diced carrots, my frozen green peas, my frozen corn. I'm going to boil those for 5 minutes, after which we pour off the water and set aside for later. I also have a tin of spam. Some people call it luncheon. I'm going to dice according to my likings. And this is a fast, easy, delicious weeknight dinner. Okay guys, here's my spam completely cut, and here I also diced some celery. And here is a run through of my ingredients: my frozen vegetable, my spam, my fresh seasoning, and also my rice that I cook overnight. Now we're going to head over to the stove, and I'm going to also add some cranberry. You can use cranberry or raisin, okay? And here I'm adding a small amount of oil to my pot, and I'm going to brown my spam, and we set that aside for later. Here you have it, guys, the finished product. Tastes really delicious. Hope you guys will try this recipe, and thank you all so much for watching. To my supporters, much respect. To my channel members, thank you guys so much for the support, and until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.